Avatar Adida teaches that even the entire physical universe, including the human body and mind, is simply a modification of consciousness and energy, or conscious light. He does not mean ordinary light, nor is he referring to the internal visionary light described in some spiritual traditions. By conscious light, Adida means the radiant condition that is the fundamental source and nature of everything.
Beyond all of those layers of conditions, events in their various depths or relative superficiality, there is that in which all is arising, merely apparently, without necessity. The conscious light, one and only, indivisible, indestructible. This must be realized. There is only the true and very self-condition, the conscious light. Consciousness itself, self-existing and self-radiant. Inherently divine, inherently egoless. Not a creator God, but the very self, the truth, reality itself, than which there is no other. It is not itself a cause. All that appears to be a cause or an effect arises in it. It is not a doer. All of this appearance arises spontaneously, incomprehensibly in that sense, on this ultimate foundation and in this ultimate substance. And when it is realized, then it becomes self-evident, entirely clear what everything is and how it's happening.